Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine. So today we are going to learn a new concept, that is a and an. Before that, let's recall vowels. What are vowels children? A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. So children, today we are going to learn when to write A and when to write and before the words. So can you see this alphabet children? A, B, C, D, all the alphabets are here. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels and rest of the 21 letters are consonant. So all consonant sounds begins with a. If the word is starting with consonant, we have to write a before the word. If the word starts from vowel, we have to write a and an. Let's see this picture children. See the first picture. What is this? Yes, it's an apple. So, what is the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E. So, what is the beginning sound? A. So, we have to write a and an. Before apple, we have to write a and an. An apple. An apple. See the next. Eagle. What is the spelling of eagle? E-A-G-L-E, eagle. So, E is vowel. So, we have to write a and an. The sound of E is a. So, eagle is vowel. So, that's why we are writing a and an before vowel. Okay children, next see table. The spelling of table is T-A-B-L-E, table. T is consonant. That's why we are writing a, not a and an. If it is start with A, E, I, O, U, we can write a and an. But it is starting from T. T is consonant. So that's why we are writing a table. Okay children, next see flower. Spelling of flower is F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. So, F is consonant. So, we have to write A or an. Yes, we have to write a flower. Next see banana. B. A-N-A-N-A, banana. So, B is consonant. So, we should write a, not a and an before the consonant word. A. Then see book. Spelling of book is B-O-O-K, book. B is consonant. So if it is consonant, so before what we have to write a or an? Yes, a. We have to write a book. Okay children, see the next. Chair. The spelling of chair is C-H-A-I-R, chair. So, C is consonant. So, we have to write before consonant what we have to write? A chair. The children see the next. Umbrella. So, what is the spelling of umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. So, U is vowel. So, what we have to write before umbrella? U is vowel. So, we have before the vowel what we have to write? A or an. So, why we are writing an? Because U is vowel. So, before vowel we have to use a and an. An umbrella. See the next. Truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. So, T is consonant. What we have to write before consonant? A. a truck. Okay, children, see the next. Igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. I is what? Yes, it's a vowel. So what we have to write before vowel, a or an? Yes, an. A-N, an igloo. Children, see the next. Orange. What is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So what is the first letter? O. O is vowel. So what we have to write before the vowel, a or an? An. A-N, an orange. See the next. Underwear. So what is the spelling of underwear? U-N-D-E-R-W-E-A-R. Underwear. So U is vowel. So what we have to write before vowel? A-N, an. So an underwear. Okay, children, see here. Here we have more pictures. We have to write whether it is a or an before the word. So see the first. An owl. An owl. O is vowel. That's why we are writing a-n, an. Omelette. O. It starts from O. So an omelette. Tiger. T. T is consonant. A tiger. Okay. Next. Leaf. L. L is consonant. So a leaf. Next. A pumpkin. P. It starts from P. P is consonant. So what we have to write before consonant? A pumpkin. A car. Why we are writing a car? Because C is consonant. A house. Again see here, H is consonant. A house. Before consonant we can use a, not a and an. We can use a and an if it is starts from vowel. See, an insect. We are writing an because I is vowel. An insect. See the next. A bed. A bed. Because B is consonant. We can write a before the consonant. An ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. I is vowel. So before vowel we should use a and an. An ice cream. Octopus. Octopus starts with O. So we have to use a and an before the vowel. A and an. An octopus. Next, a and an emu. So why we are writing a and an? Because it starts from E. It is vowel. And emu. See the next. An arrow. We are writing an because arrow starts from A. A is vowel. An arrow. Next, a bird. B. B bird. So B is consonant. What we have to write before consonant? A. A bird. Whale. W is consonant. So a whale. A tree. Why? T is consonant. So a tree. See here here we have an activity. We have to tick the correct answer. See the first picture, children. Goat. Goat starts from G. So G is consonant. So a goat. We should write an? No. We have to write a. So we have to tick the correct answer. We have a goat. See the next. Tiger. T is again a consonant. So we should write an tiger. No, a tiger. So we have to tick again a. Alligator. Alligator starts from A. So an alligator. A is vowel. So An alligator. We have to tick A and an. Next, see cat. C-A-T, cat. So C is consonant. So consonant starts with A or an? Yes, starts with A. So we have to tick A. A cat. A cat. See elephant. Elephant starts from E. So E is vowel. So what we have to use before vowel? A and an. So an elephant. We have to tick an elephant. Next, see owl. Owl, what is the spelling? O-W-L, owl. So O is again vowel. So we have to write a. No, we have to write a and an owl. So we have to tick owl. Hope children you have understand when to write a and when to write an. Okay children, thank you.